While trying to lose that belly fat, you have to be very vigilant about what to eat and what not to eat. And talking about eating, did you know there is a food item in every household that we all consume on most days and it can help us lose weight? Today's video will discuss the best way to consume onions for weight loss. Onion juice. You will need 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cups of water and mixer to make this juice. Just boil the water, and put onion in it. Let it cool down a bit, and then grind it in the mixer. Your juice is ready. You can have this juice any time of the day, but avoid having it empty stomach. Onion soup. You will need 6 large onions, vegetables, olive oil, ginger, garlic and some water. Take 6 large onions and chop them. Now heat olive oil in a soup pot, and add some grated ginger and garlic to it. Saute ginger and garlic for 2 minutes, and add chopped onions, tomatoes, some other veggies, black pepper and salt to it. Stir the soup and cook it for 15 minutes. Your soup is ready. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.